Hi, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I want to talk about a product which I have been using for my hair, and it has been working amazing, and definitely something I do strongly recommend you guys try out, especially if you have straight hair or thin hair. It's really good. Oops, my earring. And it is this, okay, the spray from Arata. Okay, come on, focus, focus, focus. Okay, there we go. So this, okay, this is the thickening hairspray from Arata, which is their sea salt thickening spray. Okay, I'm back in focus. So this spray, guys, so honestly I had to go out for some event or something. I had to go out for a couple of months back, or a couple of, yeah, 2 months back roughly. And I needed something because my hair was just looking so flat. And as you can see, I have straight hair. Okay, now I have applied a lot of stuff and kind of, made it a little less silkier and a bit more like nice texture and voluminous. But otherwise, my hair will just be like straight. And also, my hair is not thick. So, thin hair and straight hair is absolutely the worst combination. If you have curly hair and you have thin hair, it's fine. It works. No one understands. But if you have straight hair and you have thin hair, everybody understands, and they will point it out and tell you, oh, you have thin hair, you need to do something, this that, which is very irritating, but fine, whatever. We have to move past that. So this is the spray that I ordered, and honestly, I had to order it like within 10 minutes. So I ordered this from Blinkit, and you will not believe this spray is so good. So I made a reel about this as well. So do follow me on Instagram. If you are not following me on Instagram, all you have to do is just kind of spray it one time. Like, don't spray it too much, because if you spray too much, it almost sort of becomes like a leave-in conditioner. I don't know the formulation and how it works, but it has vegetable glycerin as the second ingredient. And xylishine is, again, I know I have worked with this ingredient. It is a patented formulation, but which is like a combination of couple of different ingredients together, which condition your hair. So, anyways, it has a couple of other ingredients as well. So, all you have to do is rub it into your hair and your scalp. And if you want your this lower hair to look voluminous, you can spray it on that as well. I just like my volume to sort of come from inside my hair, if that makes any sense. And I already have sprayed it here. Oops, I've already sprayed it here, so I'm not going to spray more. And also, if you want, you can spray some over here as well. So you spray it, just massage it. If you applying it here, just massage, or just rub it over here as well. And boom, your hair just looks so much more voluminous, much more shinier. As you can see, my hair has suddenly got some shine to it, which is this spray. So if you have straight hair, if you have thin hair, this is your holy grail. And this should go in your bag all day, every day. You need to have this. So whenever you feel your hair is feeling very dry, drab, thin, this, that, just go in, take this out, zip, 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 and you're good to go. Okay. I have also tried a couple of other products, and they just don't work that well as this does. Also, one more good thing about this product is that this has a really nice fragrance. It's a very aqua type of fragrance, which works really well and makes your hair feel really fresh. And along with that, this also has sea salt, which is what gives the volume to your hair. It has biotin, and it also has a niacinamide, which we love. If you have oily scalp, niacinamide really reduces the oil production as well. So I think it's a really well thought of and a well formulated product. I also have one more Arata shampoo, and if you see my shampoo for thicker, longer hair video, you will see Arata shampoo in that, because that shampoo is really good, like really good. Because I have a thin hair problem. I apply so much for that. It's just that my big issue is I'm not consistent. I have a very erratic schedule of my own, which I'm still trying to work on and make it perfect, but it's just taking too long. But anyways, forget all that. Let's not like go off topic. The point being is that Arata products are good, and this is something I have tried and tested. So you don't have to gamble and check and pay the brand your money to see if the product is good. No, leave that job to me. Just come here, ask me for recommendation, or ask me to try the products out. Let me waste my money and give you the answer. Okay, so this is a big yes, a big thumbs up to this product. Do try it out, and if you do try it out, let me know in the comments how you like it. And if you've already tried the product out, Also, let me know in the comments so it can help the others as well who come on this video. And yeah, I really hope this video helps. I'm just so happy to be here. And yeah, which is why I ramble, ramble, ramble. And I also want to make like more sit down content. But I have so much to talk and share and tell you guys. So, anyways, I'll see you very soon in my next video with some more recommendations, some new video idea, which whenever I get, I get. So, anyways, I really hope this video helps. Subscribe to my channel, and guys, follow me on Instagram because I do post a lot of content there as well. A lot of product recommendations and a whole lot of other fun things. So I will see you very soon in my next video. Do subscribe because I do want to see you back here again. All right, bye. Have a great day. See you later.